Welcome to Unbox Burrito. This will be a quick unboxing of the Mass Effect Legendary Edition and the pre-order bonus SteelBook. So looking at the SteelBook first, we get the same image, just without the Mass Effect Legendary Edition logos. The helmet of Commander Shepard, they don't show the face because you could customize your own character. I find it an odd choice that they did not include every single person. On the side here it says Mass Effect Legendary Edition. This is the comparison to the actual case. Oh, there we go. On the back it says Mass Effect Legendary Edition. And the silhouette of the planet, similar to the one in the back here. So inside the SteelBook, the background here I believe of the Citadel. It's hard to show you guys because it's very dark in the back. So yeah, has a nice metallic finish to this SteelBook. The actual game case. Relive the legend, the full saga together. Your story, your choice, remastered for a new generation. I've heard that the remaster looks excellent. The graphics are superb, but what's even better is that you don't have to deal with all the mess and hassle of making sure you have all the content. Includes single player based content and over 40 DLC. You don't have to worry about it. I remember one of the things I hated playing the original Mass Effects, trying to understand all the DLC and making sure I had all of them so that you can fully enjoy the game. So this was a desire I had for a very long time that finally came to existence. It comes with a 20% off code for a purchase at gear.bioware.com. Whoever wants to use this code first, go ahead. Combat controls for the second Mass Effect game, controls for the third Mass Effect. And similar to Cyberpunk, it contains 2 discs. So it comes in a PS4 double disc case. So this is the disc to actually play with. You insert this one second, and this is the one you would leave in the console. And then this one's the data disc to install a crap ton of content, 100 gigabytes minimum. So make sure you have at least 100 gigs. Yeah, so that's it. And here you can see they're also giving away some free bonus content for a limited time. It is 1.7 gigabytes for this content. You can check the link in the description. Now you only have till about July 31st to download this before they remove it. I'll probably just re-upload it on like a Google Drive and put the link in the description for you to continue downloading. Now the digital content comes with the first issue of the Redemption comic. It comes with the digital version of a Normandy Lithograph image. It comes with the first issue of the Invasion comic and a digital version of the art book that you get with the Mass Effect 3 Collector's Edition and a digital version of the art book you get with the Mass Effect 2 Collector's Edition. And on top of all of that, you get the complete soundtrack of all 3 games. Now there are 88 tracks in total. From the second track all the way to the 37th track are all the songs in the first Mass Effect. Then from track 38 all the way to track 64 are all the Mass Effect 2 soundtracks. Then from track 65 down to 88 are for Mass Effect 3. Now there does include track number 1, which is a bonus Legendary Edition soundtrack. And all of these songs are in MP3 format at 320 kilobits per second. Now if you continue scrolling down on the download page, there's this cool custom art creator button. It links you to a page where you can literally create your own cover. So it's really cool. Once you start it, the first thing they ask you for is the morality. Paragon makes the background entirely blue, Neutral divides it, and Renegade makes it completely red in the background. Then you get to choose the squad mates that appear For now, I'm gonna choose Liara to be the main head, and then right behind her would be Legion. Then the next is the Trusted Companion. We can see more characters. They add like Javix all the way down to Zaid. I'm going to choose Garrus to be the next face. After Garrus, we have the Cavalry with more characters to choose from. I'm gonna choose Edie, Morden, and Tali. Lastly, we choose the last two characters, which are the backups. So I'm just gonna choose Jacob here and Javik. Then last but not least, we have to choose a location, which is the image that appears on the shoulder of the cover. By default, it's the Citadel. I'm going to choose the Collector base. And then once you're done, you can see here, it's a generated image of your own custom cover. And what's even cool is that you can either download it in 4K resolution, or you can download it as a box art for PS4 or Xbox One. So here you can see it's your own custom artwork in a PlayStation 4 cover template, and it's in really high resolution, so you can print this in very nice quality to actually put in your own case. Edit your current generated art to Paragon, the same art but with an entirely blue background. Here's the same art with the entirely red background, or the neutral with half and half. Or if you want, you can just keep jamming on this auto create button, which just randomizes everything, and you could just get a whole bunch of random images. So this is really cool. I'm probably gonna create a few to just keep digital copies of, so in the future, if I ever felt like it, I could print any one of them out. I think this is a really wicked feature. And if you haven't played Mass Effect yet, then you better hurry up and play it. You have no excuses now. I had to pay a little extra to get this SteelBook from the States, so I just wanted to show it off as well. Thanks for watching the video. Give me a like and subscribe to support me. If you want to buy this game or anything else on Amazon, you can purchase it from my Amazon affiliate store to help support my channel. Check the description. Thanks for watching.